Roboprenr actually my kid is studying from the last 1 year. So he started with a summer class and he was very enthusiastic, and we made initially we started with a 15 minutes 15 days course, and we extended it to 30 days course. Then we made it to a 1 year course. So we are expecting him to continue for another 3-4 years. So here Roboprenr, they are teaching in a more practical way, and my kid is more energetic, and he is doing a lot of experiments in the home. So that's very much important for a kid rather than studying in a theoretical approach. So the more practical approach, it always helps the kids to develop in a more practical way, and the kids can understand better rather than the current and voltage. They can't understand in a technical way rather than like an engineer or engineering course, which he can't able to understand. But practically, if you teach them how the bulb works, how the circuit works, how the IC works, and he talks more and he asks questions more, like what is AND gate, what is NOR gate, what is R gate. So these kind of gates, ICs, chips, and the color codes of resistor. So which even we are not aware, the kid is very much aware of these things, and these can be trained by only professionals like Roboprenr. So Roboprenr is actually doing a very well job, and we are expecting them to do a more kind of practical scenarios. And Roboprenr is giving their own kit. So that kit contains of all the motors, circuits, breadboards, everything. So it is always helpful for them to have a good practical approach, and it's very much helpful. And they are giving training, and they are approaching for competition classes. So this kind of competition will always motivate the kids, like public speaking, like how to approach the programs, how to approach he did his Scratch Junior. So that was very helpful to understand the program codes and everything. So being a software or hardware, Roboprenr is doing an excellent job in doing that. Yeah, thank you.